Hello everyone. To use Launch Content Tracker in Google Docs, first step, open your document and from top menu, click on Insert, and from Building Blocks, click on Launch Content Tracker. Now you see a Launch Content Tracker template and you can edit and use for your purposes. For example, in type section, you must write type of your content. In description, write about your content. And in publish date, if you move your mouse on date, you can choose a date. And also, you can set a time. For example, this time. And you can also choose a time zone and click on OK. If you want to edit the date, again, move your mouse on date, you can edit or remove the time, and based on your needs you can choose each of them. And in publish it section, if you click on drop down list, you can use yes or no, and if you want to add more or edit this drop down, click on this plus icon. Now you can edit your drop down. For example, you can change the option or change the color for any option, and also add more option or remove. Based on your needs, edit this drop down. Also in outlet, you can write about your content outlet, and link to content, you see a file. If you move your mouse on it, you see a search box and you can write your file title and add to your content tracker. For example, I choose this one, and you can see a preview of your file, and you can, for another row, you can do the same steps. Also, if you need more row, and if you move your mouse on any row, you can click on this plus and add row. Another way, right click on that row and use insert row above or insert row below. Based on your need, choose one of them. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.